Hi everyone. Hope y'all are having a fantastic day. I am heading to meet the electrician right now, and I'm a little bit worried because I know the electrical is jacked. Is that you? So I obviously went to go pick up Colby from daycare. I went and met with the electrician. He said that it should be no more than $3,500, which is more than I expected, but obviously I didn't know because I knew that the electrical was bad, so hopefully it's not any more than that. He said he's comfortable with no more than 35, so. Oh my goodness, you are so cute. So they're gonna start here pretty quick, and we've got to get the rest of the bathroom demoed in order for them to like run the lines, because they're gonna have to run some lines or fix some lines in the wall because of where the lights were at. Anyways, so I've got to get the bathroom completely demoed and all that finished, and once they're done, I can go in there and I'm gonna paint the ceilings, because the ceilings are literally the biggest hassle to paint. And so if I can just paint them now and then not have to worry about them, that would be fantastic. So I'll do that once they're done with their job. And then from there, we're like really gonna hit the ground running, because I can get drywall done, and my plumber still has to go out there actually. So I'll get plumbing done, drywall done, and then windows got to be done. We'll paint the house, put flooring in, cabinets and countertops. That's kind of when, once drywall is done, that's whenever we will take over everything and we'll be starting all of our jobs. So it's really important to get all this stuff done now and quick, because the longer it takes, the more money it's costing me. And I don't know where my daughter went. Colby! So we did get the rest of the bathroom demoed, and my dad actually did majority of that, so I don't have any video of it, but Marcus did go in and do a few things. And then once all the drywall was out, there was a bunch of screws in the studs, and so I ended up taking those out on a later day. During this time, we were taking Colby to the flip house quite a bit with us, so she was learning all kinds of things, and she's always super excited when we drive up to the flip house. It's kind of cute actually.
You did it, baby. Wow!
So now I'm painting the ceilings, and that means the electricians came and they finished up their job. Unfortunately for us, that job came out to about $4,000. So obviously more than the anticipated $3,500, but sometimes those things happen and you just don't ever know what to expect when you're walking into an old house. So hopefully we'll make that up somewhere else. But we just got to kind of keep moving with the job at this point. Obviously, using a spray gun is going to be the easiest and fastest way to finish your ceiling. Whenever I spray the ceilings, I like to do a really heavy coat. That way I only have to do one coat. The ceiling will be basically sopping wet, and that's pretty much the look that you want to go for. To ensure that you're not going to have to do another coat. The thing with painting ceilings is it gets very tiring very fast. It is so hard on your neck and back, and then not only that, but you can just see in the video all of the paint that is in the air. It just kind of turns to dust, and it is really difficult to breathe. You'll have paint in your nostrils. It'll be all over your body from head to toe, and it really is not a fun job, if I'm honest. Good morning, everyone. always in my car, literally. I just pulled up to the flip house because yesterday I painted the ceilings, and I'm just gonna kind of come in here and see how they turned out, and hopefully they're okay. I might get a little bit of work done while I'm here. I don't know. It just all depends on how I'm feeling when I walk through that door. All right. So they actually look pretty good. I was worried. You can tell just a little bit, like on these houses that have like nicotine stains on the walls, they tend to, the nicotine will bleed through. So like right there, you can kind of tell, like in that little area right there, the nicotine will bleed through the paint. So typically you have to prime it. Although these stains were not that bad, so I was hoping that it would cover pretty well, and it did. You see, hallway looks great. This bedroom has some stains up here, so I'll have to prime those stains and repaint over them. I don't know what in the world that is, but it came straight through the paint, so that's weird. Right there too. This bedroom came out perfectly fine, so no need to repaint in here. And then this bedroom came out perfectly fine, so cool. So I decided to go ahead and start removing some carpet that day, and I had no idea what the hardwoods were going to look like in the bedroom because the hardwoods in the hallway just are in really, really bad condition, but they kind of looked okay at first glance. By the end of it, I just thought that the hardwoods were not going to be salvageable, and at least not by us. By somebody else they would be, but we don't have the money for it, and we're already over budget, obviously, so that would have to be somebody else's project, and we're going to have to do something different as far as flooring. If they were in better condition, we probably could have for sure worked with them, but they were just kind of too far gone for us to DIY at that point. Also, I just want to point out that I would not suggest you remove carpet this way if you're by yourself and you're 5'4" female. You definitely want to cut it up into strips and remove it that way, because this carpet was so heavy, I thought I was going to pull a muscle dragging it out of this bedroom. Here is the problem with these floors, is they have really, really evident cracks in between the planks. In order to salvage these floors, we'd have to have somebody come in and completely refinish them and fill all of these cracks. They'd have to come in and fill all these cracks with wood filler or something, which I don't know. These are so bad, and they're that bad because of the foundation, but that'd end up costing quite a bit of money to refinish them. So, guys, my kryptonite. I'm at the flip house trying to work, and this cat just came up and walked in the house like he's been here before, or she, whatever. But I just can't say no to animals. Hi, kitty. Oh my goodness. Hi, everyone. I'm at the flip house getting some work done. The shirt is huge on me because it's one of Marcus's. I bought him for like a work shirt because it's like got like a fleece lining or a Sherpa lining, and it's freezing outside today. So I was like, I'm gonna wear this shirt. But I just got done taking like 5 million screws out of the bathroom walls because my drywall people are going to start soon, and I just want everything to be
easy for them to just come in and kind of do their job and be done with it. But literally so many screws I had to unscrew. I'm also going to vacuum up all the bedrooms. Marcus and I took the carpets out the other day, so I need to go through and get everything vacuumed and ready to start bringing new materials in, like new carpeting and everything, because we're turning the corner now. All the demo's done, and now we're going to be putting the house back together. So today's just a cleaning day and getting everything nice and ready to go. So this is actually going to be the end of today's video for you guys. Sometimes it's just really hard to figure out where these videos are going to end and begin, because I'm just filming everything in order and not necessarily into separate videos, and so it's hard to film like intros and outros. But hopefully by the next video we'll have more done on this house. Well, I mean, obviously we're gonna have more done, but hopefully it'll start looking more like a different house, and I can't tell you guys how excited I am for that. But I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you again for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe because it helps me out a ton. Until the next video, I hope you guys stay blessed, and I will see y'all soon.